Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Glue Remover is probably one of the most sought-after products for anyone who loves to experiment with false nails, and for good reason. Removing artificial nails without damaging your natural nails can be a real struggle, but with the right nail glue remover, you can effortlessly take off your falsies without the hassle of harsh chemicals or painful peeling. Today, we will review some of the best nail glue removers on the market, helping you find the perfect product to keep your nails healthy and beautiful. Number 5. Makartt Nail Glue Remover. It's not just for nail glue, it also removes regular nail polish, adhesive tapes, super glue, and even some marker stains. It's a quick and efficient solution for various sticky situations, but remember it won't work on gel-based products. The convenient bottle and included wooden sticks make removing stubborn glue a breeze. Simply brush it on and gently lift away the nail tips for a smooth, effortless removal. This is far more cost-effective than using a nail drill or spending time filing. It's a safer, gentler alternative to harsh acetone soaks, saving you both time and money. It helps remove press-on nails in minutes without the harshness of acetone or the damage of filing. This protects your natural nails and the surrounding skin from unnecessary harm. First, attach the brush. Then, apply it to the glue, wait just a few seconds, and gently remove the nail. It's that simple. What we like? This remover tackles various adhesives and polishes, saving you time and money. Its brush-on applicator makes application simple. If you're on a budget and need a multi-purpose solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The adhesive strength of this nail glue is impressive. My press-on nails and acrylic tips stay securely in place for weeks without lifting or breaking. This glue, I can go at least a week with it and easily more. So far I've used 2 press-on sets with it. One set I had to take off after 7 days, and the set I'm wearing now, I had one lift 6 days in, so I re-glued it and they're all still staying strong. This nail glue delivers on its promise of being extra strong. It secures false nails and acrylic tips firmly in place, lasting for weeks with proper application. No lifting or popping off, even with frequent hand washing or light household tasks. Number 4. Makartt Nail Glue Remover. This 50 ml nail glue remover makes removing press-on nails a breeze. Its precision brush applicator and included wooden sticks make for quick and easy removal, even for beginners. It's more cost-effective than using a nail drill and faster than filing. It's also a safer alternative to harsh acetone soaks, protecting your natural nails. Remove your artificial nails in minutes without the need for soaking or harsh filing. It's gentle on your skin and natural nails. This remover isn't just for nail glue, it can also remove regular nail polish, adhesive tabs, super glue, and even some marker stains. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. The bottle is larger than 50 ml, so it may not be completely full. Remember, it won't remove gel polish, and applying it around the cuticle first speeds up the process. You only need to wait 2 to 4 seconds before removing the nail. What we like? With its generous size, this remover ensures you have plenty for multiple uses. Its fast-acting formula gets the job done quickly and efficiently. If you value speed and convenience, this is your best bet. What people say. If used correctly, it will not damage your nails. Also, when you get glue on your skin, you can take a swab and rub the remover on it. It will take the tacky feeling away, and once you wash your hands, it will take that white look away. This takes my fake nails off better than anything, but make sure you wash off any excess after using, and I don't recommend putting any under the front of your nail unless you wash it off well. I use the product as directed with the brush and wooden applicator provided. I pried a tiny section of the fake nail up, in each nail corner, and applied the liquid to both areas. I repeated that process across both hands. I went back to further pry up the now loosened fake nail, and realized immediately that the fake nail was more goopy malleable, and that is part of the removal ease the liquid creates. I added more liquid to each nail on each hand again to fully remove the nails without painful prying. Lastly, I went back and popped them all off by pushing the wooden stick painlessly under each fake nail. Results: yes, using the product, it made it easier and safer than trying to rip fake nails off. I sustained less damage to my nail bed with this product. Number 3. Makartt Nail Glue Kit. This kit makes applying and removing false nails a breeze. The precision brush applicators let you work quickly and neatly, whether you're a beginner or a pro. It's perfect for acrylics, gel tips, and press-ons. It provides a strong, long-lasting bond that keeps your nails looking great for weeks. The remover gets rid of your nails in minutes without harsh chemicals or damaging filing. It's gentle on your natural nails and skin. It's not just for nails. It can also remove regular nail polish, super glue, and even some marker stains. For extra strong and long-lasting results, file your natural nails in one direction, roughen the underside of your false nails, and apply a thin layer of glue before pressing them on. Make sure to avoid bubbles. What we like. This kit provides both a strong, long-lasting glue and a gentle remover. The remover works quickly and protects your natural nails. If you need a complete, reliable solution for applying and removing nails, this is perfect for you. What people say. Works great to help remove the glue from nails. Ease to use. The Makartt nail glue remover works incredibly fast. I was able to remove my press-on nails in just a few minutes without any hassle. The formula effectively breaks down the glue, making it easy to lift off the nails without excessive pulling or prying. One of the best features of this product is how gentle it is on my natural nails. After using it, my nails felt smooth and undamaged, ready for my next manicure. The application process is straightforward. The bottle comes with a precision tip that allows you to apply the remover exactly where you need it, minimizing mess and waste. This worked well overall. It was easy to use and got the job done. I think letting it soak was more helpful than just brushing it on. Overall, I enjoyed it. Number 2. ADCILS Nail Glue Remover. Tired of soaking your nails? It removes glue from press-on nails in minutes, without the soak. It's quick and easy. It's gentle on your natural nails. The special design helps lift false nails without damage. It's acetone-free, so it's safer for your nails and the environment. You can use it without worry. It contains castor oil to strengthen and flexibilize your nails. It helps keep your nails healthy and beautiful. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll be happy to help. The chisel tip makes removing false nails a breeze. Just gently nudge them off. What we like. This product removes glue and gently lifts false nails without harsh chemicals. It also contains castor oil to condition your nails. If you prioritize nail health and want a simple, effective solution, choose this one. What people say. I have referred this remover to several customers who want to do the removing themselves. I applied the glue remover at the cuticles and waited, then I took a cuticles pusher and went along the edge and carefully slid it between my nail and the artificial. Then with the pusher between I applied more glue remover and waited again and continued doing those steps until the nail easily slid off. Nail tech of 20 years here, and if you use press on nails with gel overlay artwork, this is the best and fastest nail glue remover. Better than the leading brands and has an oil base that isn't drying. Removed a full set of press on nails, where I used a thick coat of Dashing Diva Fast Bond nail glue, in less than 15 minutes. Number 1. Kiss Glue Off Remover. Tired of struggling with removing artificial nails? This remover makes it quick and easy. Let's see how it works. It's enriched with castor oil and pro-vitamin B for gentle yet effective nail care. It's designed to be safer on your natural nails. The slim chisel tip allows for precise application, ensuring you only target the glue. No more messy removal. Watch how easily it dissolves the glue, leaving your nails clean and healthy. It's the perfect solution for quick and easy removal. It's formulated with nourishing ingredients to help protect your natural nails during the removal process. Get salon-quality results at home. With its convenient size and effective formula, it's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or complete removal. Get yours today. What we like. This remover is enriched with nourishing castor oil and features a precise applicator for easy removal. The 3-pack offers great value. If you value nail health and want a convenient, multi-use option, this is ideal for you. What people say. Love how using this preserves my false nails and my real nails from being damaged. I love this product, Kiss Glue Off. My old solution hurt so bad, but this was super easy and did not take a lot of time. I would say less than 30 minutes and my nail beds did not hurt. The nails just popped off. This really does work to take my press-on nails off. Works fast and makes it easy to remove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.